government is committed to creating the conditions for a stable, safe and sustainable Jamaica.
Our job here is to keep you safe.
We're investing in the renovation and rebuilding of police stations across the island.
To the extent that we can invest in our members, provide for them the tools necessary to do that job, it allows them to deliver a better service to you.
We recently opened the Shady Grove Police Station, launching Project Rock, bringing awareness to the public of the ministry's mandate to rebuild, renovate, and retrofit police stations island-wide.
We're here today to see a contract signing of some 8 contracts to deal with 14 stations.
It's a major task. It includes repair of roofs, electrical fixtures, infrastructure, plumbing, termite control, but to name a few. We're in partnership with the National Housing Trust, the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. The locating of this facility in the heart of the western part of downtown, will complement the government's overall plan to revive and reposition Kingston City as a leading business district that is safe and orderly. In addition to that, of course, we are looking at agencies that are often not recognized for the work they do, but play a critical role in ensuring that we can, in fact, deal with the level of criminality. The work of building out the Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine ranks highly among the strategic priorities that the government has embarked on in order to retool and adequately recruit the Jamaica Constable who are forced to deal with the kind of criminals we have today.
Now more than ever, there is a need to bolster our crime surveillance capacity to contribute towards improved management of our urban spaces as well as public safety.
The goal is to train very soon approximately at least 1,600 recruits on an annualized basis, that we can attract more young men and young women of their character to ensure Jamaica will have a strong, capable police force. If we have to pay the bill, it must be sent to the ministry and to be sort out the health insurance activity.
This came out of an incident that happened a few years ago where one of our members got killed whilst off duty, and it was felt that providing this service would provide that sense of security for our police officers. It's really important as they protect the society that they also, when they're off duty, are protected.
We'll never get that kind of violent activity under control until the people are involved and the communities are involved.
Although people are incarcerated, we have this tremendous obligation and benefit to see to their comfort.
It's important that the government of Jamaica ensure that a robust framework exists to identify and prevent criminal elements from utilizing the legitimate financial system for their own benefit and in strengthening our criminal organization. We are bringing to the House amendments to the Interception Act to provide the security forces with an effective means of using modern technology to gather evidence in dealing with the criminal enterprises, the gangs, their dons. Partnerships, exchanges, and scholarships have greatly facilitated capacity building. For the citizens of Jamaica and the United States of America, this amended air marshal agreement provides an additional layer of safety and security for persons traveling between our countries.
This proclamation of a state of public emergency shall remain in force
to disrupt criminal enterprise and to provide the opportunity for greater investigative focus on perpetrators of violent crimes and their facilitators. We feel it is our duty to stand between those who would do harm and those in danger.
While our ambitions are much greater than that which has been reported here, we continue to be motivated by the gains we have made so far.